Folks, welcome back to another episode of Ranch Rehab.
Welcome back.
And today is part 2 of the Amish wooden wheelbarrow restoration.
Awesome.
And the thing about it is, I told everybody there's going to be like a 1 and a 2. No, it's going to be 3 parts to this restoration. Yes, because on the first one, we disassembled the whole thing. Now we've got to actually cut the wood. We've got to paint the parts, and then we got to stain the wood. So this is going to be a 3-parter.
It's going to be fun.
Right. So enough talk. Let's go to work.
Let's get to work. All right, folks. So right now, this is our new wood. And as you can see from before, we have quite a difference here. And basically now we have this nice red cedar that we're going to be using. And is that right?
Oh, we've got cedar. I don't know. It could be red cedar. It could be purple cedar. It could be blue cedar. I have no idea.
Red.
Some cedar.
I really like it.
Are you really going to go through the trash and garbage pick to see what it is? I know it's cedar. You know it's cedar. And you know what? It smells like cedar.
It does. It's awesome. Oh, here we go. Yes. We're going to start with these pieces.
It's like the handles and the base all in one.
I do want to make sure that the crown of these, which is that curve, that is facing down, so the strength will be the top of that arch. It'll be stronger that way, laying flat.
Let's get to cutting, Jenny.
Yes. Okay, so I'm just measuring the old pieces of wood, and sure enough, they are 30 inches. And so now I'm gonna go to my new pieces of wood and just do a little mark here right at the 30 inches.
Of course, I did it very unsafe, folks. I didn't have my safety goggles on, whatever. All right, so this is kind of how it's gonna look once we put it all together. Oh my God, I think it looks pretty darn good, especially once you get it stained and everything. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so I got all the hardware over here. What I'm gonna do is knock some of this rust off here. See, right now, Jenny's over there sanding with enthusiasm. See that? We can't hear a word she's saying. She has no mic. When you're whispering, I can't hear a dang thing you're saying. And neither can the audience.
I love cedar!
That's a little too much information. All right, I need to get back to my side here, Jennifer. This is the spray can from last time. Look at that. What a mess, right? Today, we got some of these bad boys. All right, Jennifer, what's all the excitement about?
This wood color, freaking awesome.
Wow, it is. It's rich.
I know.
It's light, but it's like rich.
Oh my word.
It's beautiful.
It is.
You're doing a great job just slathering it on there.
Fantastic. Well, I'm being extremely generous with it.
Wait.
But look.
Wait. What's that on your hand?
It's called a bag.
Is that a Lowe's bag? What kind of glove is that?
It's a quick glove.
Okay. So sometimes you have to improvise and think outside the box. And when you don't have your rubber gloves,
you can use a bag.
You can use a bag.
Now, not to say my other hand isn't getting slaughtered, but nevertheless.
All right, so we need to see if these metal pieces are dry, or at least dry enough to where I can flip them over. folks, so that wraps part 2 of this amazing Amish wooden wheelbarrow restoration.
That's right.
I said it without fumbling my words.
Woohoo!
Yeah. So look at, you've got the wood here, beautifully stained,
yes.
the oak, and then you got the beautifully painted hardware, wheel and whatnot. I mean, they kind of go together like peas and carrots.
They do, like bananas and coconuts. Or
really?
chocolate and peanut butter.
Yeah, it's a little bit better. So anyways, thank you guys for stopping back. This is part 2 of our 3-part series, and we'll be back later with part 3.